Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. First, I'd like to say welcome to 2021, everybody. We are in a new year, hopefully a better year. I think we're all hoping for a better year. So in light of that, we're going to be talking about a new electric vehicle stock that I think has enormous upside potential because it is reimagining everything we know about cars. The name Canoo, ticker HCAC. Now, electric vehicle stocks have been all the rage on Wall Street lately, and with good reason. EVs are the future. That's almost becoming indisputable. But despite all this innovation happening in the auto market, all these electric cars coming to life, there hasn't been any reimagining of the actual design of a car, right? The cars still have 4 doors, 2 seats up front, 3 in the back, maybe a 3rd row, there's a trunk, there's a hood, there's 4 wheels. There hasn't been any reimagining of it until now. Until one company decided to quite literally reinvent the wheel. That company, you guessed it, Canoo. And in reinventing the wheel, I think Canoo is actually pioneering the future of cars. So why am I so excited about HCAC stock? Well, let's take a deeper look. We like to invest in innovation. And when it comes to innovation in the EV space, Canoo has no rival. And that's because Canoo is taking today's driving machine cars and turning them into lofts on wheels. Basically, what Canoo has done is created a proprietary modular skateboard platform which has some very, very unique features. It has a very low floor, a very wide base, and features the market's first steer-to-wire platform, which essentially allows Canoo to take all the motors out of the hood and push the steering wheel right to the front of the car. The result? Something that looks more like a Beetle on wheels than a car, but also something that is a loft on wheels, right? By getting rid of the hood and pushing the front passengers all the way to the front, you open up a ton of space in the back of the car. Canoo, the Canoo vehicle, has almost 200 cubic feet of passenger volume versus about 100 cubic feet for the Tesla Model X, so twice as big as Tesla's biggest car. That's pretty impressive. Now, we like this because, yeah, it's unique, it's innovative, it's disruptive, and we like all that stuff. But we like it even more because this car, a car that opens up, that looks like a mini room on wheels, that is designed to be comfortable, to be relaxed, and maybe even to work in, represents the future of cars in a self-driving world. Take a step back and think about it. Today's cars are not made for self-driving, right? I mean, they're exceptionally uncomfortable. Even the comfiest, nicest of luxury cars, still pretty uncomfortable. They are tough to work in, they are tough to relax in, they're tough to watch movies or TV shows in, and they shouldn't be those things because they weren't made to be those things. They were made to be driven. But as we sprint headfirst in the era of self-driving, and make no mistake, we are, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and LiDAR technology, self-driving is on the cusp of becoming a ubiquitous and disruptive reality. As we sprint into that reality, the cars of yesterday that were designed to be driven aren't going to be the cars of tomorrow, because the cars of tomorrow are going to be designed to be ridden, not driven. They're going to be designed for relaxation, for comfort, to be worked in, to be slept in, to be lounged in. The cars of today, not designed for any of those things. You know which car is? The Canoo. Ding, 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 ding. The Canoo is designed for all that. By opening up all this space in the vehicle, you create a car that can easily be worked in. You can pull out your laptop and sit on that kind of semicircle booth in the back and just work. You can sleep in the back, you can relax in the back, throw on a movie, throw on a TV show. You can be very, very comfortable. It is the car of the future. And guess what? Canoo owns the technology through patents, this modular skateboard platform that enables these super spacious vehicles. So as we sprint into the world of self-driving, into the era of self-driving, the car design is going to change to that of a very spacious vehicle, and Canoo owns the technology platform which makes those spacious vehicles. Connect those dots and it's easy to see why Canoo has so much potential long-term as a disruptive, revolutionary automaker. As if the hardware innovation wasn't enough, Canoo is also disrupting and reimagining the way we buy cars. Right, today we either outright buy the vehicle or lease the vehicle, both of which have minimum flexibility and require big down payments. But Canoo is pioneering a pure subscription model that has enormous flexibility and requires no down payment. Basically, Canoo is saying, okay, here's our app, download our app, select the car that you want, select the time frame that you want, come and pick up the car, and we'll charge you on a per month basis as you use it. It's that simple. It's literally making using a car, renting a car, as easy as subscribing to Netflix, as easy as subscribing to Spotify. It is a car model built for the future. Now, we like this model for two reasons. One, it is built for the future, and tomorrow's car buyers, young people, were raised in a subscription economy. They grew up subscribing to Amazon, subscribing to Netflix, subscribing to Spotify. So it's a really seamless transition for them to adopt a subscription model for cars. And two, this model, the subscription model, enables significantly higher margins for Canoo, right? If you're an auto OEM and you sell a car once, you only get revenue one time for that car. But if you have this subscription model as Canoo's employing, you sell the car once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times throughout the lifetime of the vehicle. It's always generating revenue for you on the same cost basis. That's why Canoo says this subscription model unlocks 4 times higher profit margins than the traditional OEM model. So you have a model that's built for the future and that will unlock bigger profits. Couple that with this hardware innovation, and man, you have a clear long-term winner in HCAC stock. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Place Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that like button, maybe follow me on Twitter, or if you like to read, come over and visit us at investorplace.com where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.